everybody. We just got done putting the fence around the garden, and we were going to put a double fence around it, about 2 feet apart to keep the deers in, and we have a little cool project we're going to do with that. But here it's starting to rain. We had no rain in our forecast today.
Here's the garden fence. We got it up all the way around it. And now it's starting to rain, but we're still gonna put up the second fence, and we're gonna put the chickens in between the 2 fences.
Everything's looking good. About to have to put it in the ground because they're getting way too big.
Corn's going in the ground for sure.
Today.
And the squash and beans.
The squash and the beans are over here, and they have taken off. Like, we thought they were not even going to grow, and then.
What are those sunflowers over there?
Yeah, these are the sunflowers.
We could probably get them staying here for another 2 days.
We gotta let Grayson figure that out.
Yeah.
This greenhouse actually started off as her project, but I've kind of taken it over.
The radishes need to go in the ground today. The corn definitely needs to go.
She should have plenty of stuff to sell at her market this year.
Yeah, I think so. Here's the worm bin. There's some right there.
Grayson tells everybody that she has pet worms.
Pet worms. And there's a few. They're doing their job. It's working so far.
Eggs. These are the cutest little eggs. Moon. Come on, little guys and girls. We're starting our second little set, which is the run for the little chickens. We're doing this the old-fashioned way. Having the chickens on the outside of the garden will keep the bugs away. And also having that second fence will keep the deers away. So we have a abundance of deers around here. The potatoes, man, they came up quick. You can see them out through there. You can see some of them have different color leaves. You can tell the difference between these would be the purple ones. And Gray planted a little bean right there the other day, and it's coming up. The ones that she had in the window for her project is coming up. And those 8-inch stakes are actually working. We had a little bit of a windstorm, and apparently we're going to have rain for 4 days.
Yep, so we're going to get the rest of those on there today.
So get the rest of the garden fabric down today. Got the fence up, so that was a big ordeal there. Hard to do anything when you just get to do stuff on Saturdays.
Alright, we're putting up the second fence right now. Danny's tying the fence to the posts. So far, so good. What do you think, Danny?
Yep.
Think this is going to be good?
Yep, this is some good fencing.
The chickens are going to love it, I think. Have a lot more room to roam and eat bugs and grass, and a little more room to exercise. Here's what we got done so far.
Took less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, not taking long at all once you get it going. All the way up there. Right there. You just got the other half to do. All the way, and then the coops will be over in the corner. Alright guys, here's what we got done so far. We got one of the coops set up. Got the door cut out, so the chicken will just come right out of the coop right into the run. Then we got the string on the top all the way around. So hopefully the chickens will stay inside because they like to fly. And we have a free range rooster, Fruity, and he likes to fly over things too. So we're hoping this will keep him from getting in there with them. But now we just got to finish it all the way around and put the other coop over here where Danny's standing. The big coop that's down there is coming up here. Alright, we got the rest of the fence up. Now we just have to put the rest of the string around it. But before we do that, we're going to go put the rest of the landscape fabric down. I think we got about 5 more rows of it, so, and then we're going to leave the other side over there just empty, and we're going to put the corn and stuff there since it doesn't really need to be on the fabric. What are we doing, Gray?
Putting the stuff inside this chicken coop. We're going to put marble inside this chicken coop.
Yep. Marble over here. Somebody's bedding down for them. Alright, we're going to put marble in this coop.
Yeah.
We're going to see how he adjusts to it. Let's see if he goes out on the run here in a minute. I'm thinking he's going to go once he sees that door open. Let's see. Come on, Marble. Come on.
I'm watching him. He's not out.
Probably just happy to be out of that brooder. He'll come out in a minute. I hope. Well, Marble finally has left the coop. Now we'll see if he walks around. He might just go back in there. It'll be a matter of time before he gets back and runs out in the run area.
I want to make a big lap around here.
This is where the big coop's going, right where you're standing, Gray.
Right here?
Yep.
Nice.
We're about to move it up here. So the chickens have all that area to run, all the way around the whole garden. They're going to be so much happier out there.
Can I go through here real quick? I'm going around here real quick.
All right, be careful.
All the way around, all the way over there, then I'll come back.
Be careful. Looks like Gray wants to test out the chicken run. Are you testing out the chicken run?
Yes. And right here in the part I'm going to have a little bit of trouble. Here we go, here. I'm going to go all the way around and come back.
Yeah. You're just short enough to walk under there.
Yep. I'm like a chicken walking through here.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
You think the chickens are going to like it?
Yep. If I work, it's going to like it.
All right, that's good.
Go all the way to the end.
Boom, you made it to the end.
Yep. That was like a minute.
Yeah.
It took me a minute to get all around here.
Marble's going a little bit farther out of the coop. Slowly but surely. There's the update on our potatoes. After that rain we got the last 2 days, they are getting big. Really nice looking potatoes right there. Sorry for the wind, everybody. It's super windy here today.
Okay, Mama.
Hey everybody! Today we got some stuff that we are going to do. It's about to be a challenge. We'll see if we can do it. We're going to move the chicken coop from down here all the way to the top of the hill. It's a super windy day out today. Woo, and it's getting cold. Woo. Alright, wish us luck about getting the chickens in this cage safely.
Hey, Pop. Hi. Hi. They're all in here in a big run that goes all the way around the garden. Come on out, guys. Come on out. Come on out. They're not coming out. Rosie finally got out and Fruity got up here. Rosie's out.
Happy, don't they, Greg?
Yeah.
Look much happier.
They're eating the grass.
I'm waiting for one to do a lap around the whole thing.
There they go.
Come on, everybody,
There
come
they
on.
go.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Fruity's so loud.
Yeah, he is. Hi, Fruity.
Well, they're making their way around.
Yeah.
A lot happier. Wouldn't you say so?
Yes!
Look, they're going.
Come on, Rosie, come on. Oh, yeah.
They're going.
This is what
Here
I
they
want to
come.
see. Come on, Rosie. Come on, come on, come on, guys. Let's come on, come on. They're like racing.
Look at them.
Popcorn in the lead. Now Rosie in the lead. Popcorn back in the lead. Now Rosie in the lead with her head. Popcorn's in the lead. She's moving. She's stopping. She's stopping.
Yep.
So, hey. Oh, grass is mine. Grass is mine. And...
Well, that didn't work too good. Now he's stuck in there because he got to find his way back out. Oh, boy.
Is it going to take a while?
Yep.
Wait for him to poop in the garden.
Wow.
Wait for him to poop in the garden. He's gonna poop
Now
in
we
the
got
garden.
chickens on 3 sides of the fence. Popcorn just flicks some rocks at Fruity. There goes Fruity. There goes Gray. Fruity's going back home. He says, I've seen enough action today. Here's where the coop was. So we definitely got some cleanup to do there. Now we got to feed the chickens, bring up their food and water up to the new coop area up there. Alright guys, we're going to go in here, feed the little chicks, and give them some water. There they are. Alright, got them some water. Fruity's gonna try to come over here and get some water. Hello, Miracle. How are you doing? You wanted to get real up and close and personal on the camera, didn't you, buddy? Hey, you buddy. Fruity taking a drink. Our little chickies in there waiting for their water. But gotta let Fruity get some first. Hey, Miracle made quite the entrance. Alright. Here we go. There you go. Lock this back up. Now, we're going to get the water for Coop up there. We'll fill up that bucket. Little feeder that I made. Perfect amount, perfect. Give it a little shake. Lid back on it. Here's the little feeder. Pretty simple, just 5-gallon bucket and an oil pan. Got the oil pan for like $3. Bucket was about $4 with the lid. Screw the holes in the bottom of it. Boom. You got a cheap feeder. That actually holds a decent amount of food and lasts a pretty good while. Now I do put it in their coop for right now, especially with all the rain we've been getting. I'll just sit it down here. I know having coop in the food in the coop can bring bugs and stuff, but it's been raining so much, and as soon as that food gets wet, it's game over. Clogs all the holes and it's done. So with all the rain we've been getting, figured I'll just put it in the coop. The hemp bedding's still working great. They seem to still be enjoying it. So he's still on the other side of the fence. He's going to try to find his way through, I guess, hopefully. He's a little stuck, seems like. He's probably about to force his way through one of those holes just like he did to get over there. Hopefully he learns from this lesson and doesn't do that again, because we do not want him in the garden. How you guys like it? Yep, they love it. Eating that grass. They're scratching over there. Hopefully it'll work out for a while. They are digging some holes, it seems like, but you know, by scratching around, and the soil's so soft right now from all the rain, but I think it'll be alright. If they get in the garden, oh well, I guess. What can you do? Well guys, I think that's it for this video. We got the chicken run done around the garden. I think the next video will probably be us planting our plants in the garden over there. That has to get done very, very soon. The weather's finally starting to get warm here, so but other than that, I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully somebody else can use this. I know we got it from Living Traditions Homestead. We saw that, thought it was a good idea. We made ours a little not as wide as theirs, but seems to be working out just fine, other than the silky rooster Moon getting on the other side of the fence, but he seems to be stuck, so maybe he'll learn from this experience and not do it again. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and we appreciate it. And we're up to, I think, 150 subscribers, so thank you so much. We really can't believe it. We appreciate it, and just keep sharing the videos and keep liking them and stick around for more chicken fun.